What if I said starting your own online business from home was a lot easier than you thought? Hey, what's up? Coach Fryer here. I help entrepreneurs and those who maybe want to start their own business and become an entrepreneur take ideas and turn them into profitable businesses. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 simple steps on how you can start an online business from home. Stick around. I think it's important to start off by sharing just a little bit more of our story in case maybe you're brand new to my YouTube channel. If you are by chance, feel free to hit that subscribe button anywhere around here. Each and every Tuesday, we launch a brand new YouTube video for absolutely free to help you grow, start, or maybe even scale your online business. So our quick rap story, I won't take too long here. We've been entrepreneurs for the last 13 plus years. We started in the network marketing space and have transitioned into our own coaching and consulting business. Over the last 7 years, we've generated multiple 7 figures. And now it's an absolute honor for me to help those out there who want to start their own online business, but maybe not too sure where to start, what idea to start with, what to sell, how to leverage social media to grow the business online or whatever it might be. And so I'm really excited about today's video because I've been known to take things that are complicating and make them simple. So again, if you're someone who is maybe wanting to start an online business from home, stay tuned for these 3 simple tips. Let's dig in. One more quick side note before I get into these 3 steps. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you an absolutely free resource, something that you can download immediately. It's going to elaborate a little bit more on the 3 steps I'm about to share with you. So let's go ahead and dive in. The 3 steps to starting an online business from home. Step number one, you need to prepare your mission. I got a question. Why? Why do you want to start your own online business? This is something you need to not only understand, but you need to write it down. You need to have a clear depiction as to what it is you want to create and why you are wanting to create it. To give you a few ideas, what are you maybe currently passionate about? Or, if you don't have a certain passion around something, what's something that you can develop a passion around? Where do you have some knowledge or expertise? Or, you don't need to be some fancy expert that knows everything, but that you have some information and knowledge around that maybe you can help another person, right? Okay, another thought might be when you're preparing your mission, who do you want to help? What type of person do you want to help with your product, with your service, or with your offer? Who do you want to serve? Again, step number 1, you got to prepare your mission. Step number 2, and again, in my free resource, I'm going to walk you through this entire process and you're going to fill out a couple of areas to help you further define all this. Again, I'm going to give you the free resource in just a moment, but step number 2, for those who want to start their own online business from home, you need to figure out number 2, right? Okay, what is your product going to be? You need to prepare your product. Here's just a few thoughts or examples. Is this going to be maybe your own tangible product? For example, my wife, she started her own candle business, right? So that's an actual tangible product that she hand pours and hand makes and collects the orders via Shopify and then sends them out, right? Goes to the mail, the post office once or twice a week and is mailing a tangible candle, right, to all of her customers. Is going to be tangible. Maybe what you're wanting to create is more so maybe on the digital side. Maybe kind of like maybe something like what I do. I create digital programs, courses, mentorship communities, video trainings, all those types of things, to where I help entrepreneurs transform ideas into profit and inspiration into impact, right? So you have to prepare your product. What type of product are you going to create, right? And all of those details that come and associate with that. Lastly, step number 3 to starting your own online business from home is figuring out, right, okay, where you're going to market this to. So step number 3 is prepare your platform, okay? Where are you going to market your product, your service, or your offer, right? Is it going to be mainly via social media? Is it going to be a specific social media site like Facebook or Instagram or YouTube or TikTok or Twitter or LinkedIn, right? Is there a specific age, audience, demographic that you're trying to target with your specific product or offer? You need to decide which platform is that going to be. Maybe email is going to be your main driver, right? Okay, you need to ask yourself, where is my ideal audience? Are they male? Are they female? What age bracket, right? Okay, what are some of their other common interests, hobbies? Okay, what do they like? What do they dislike? What are some other interests that they have besides what the product you offer is? Again, you got to figure out where is this ideal audience, and then this is going to open the door as to where you should start marketing. You may not have all of the answers to the questions I just asked you through these 3 steps, and this is exactly why I prepared an absolutely free download to go along with today's video. I want to encourage you right now to go download my brand new Prepare to Impact roadmap. Inside, I'm going to share these 3 simple steps in more depth to help you make money online, right? Start your own online business from home while making a difference. You can go download your free copy at coachfryer.com/PTI. My hope and prayer is you got some value from today's broadcast. If you did, feel free again to subscribe to my channel, share this video with others, and go grab your free download of my brand new Prepare to Impact roadmap. God bless you, your family, and your business. Let's prepare to impact.